Retailers face a constant challenge of managing inventory efficiently. Whether running a small boutique or a nationwide chain, staying on top of inventory is critical to success. But relying on manual processes or disconnected systems can lead to overstocking, stockouts, and missed opportunities. Enter x2x integration solutions. We make real-time inventory management seamless, efficient, and hassle-free. Disconnected systems, inaccurate data, and manual updates make inventory management a headache for retailers. Let's take a closer look at 3 common problems retailers face and how x2x solves them. Problem 1. Stockouts and overstocking. Both hurt your bottom line and your customer satisfaction. X2x integrates your inventory across all channels, providing accurate, real-time data. Automated reorder levels ensure you're never under or overstocked. Problem 2. Outdated or inaccurate inventory data. This leads to mistakes in restocking and disappointed customers. With x2x, every transaction, whether it's online or in-store, is instantly reflected in your inventory records, so you're always in the know. Problem 3. Multi-channel chaos. Managing inventory across online stores, physical locations, and warehouses can feel overwhelming. X2x unifies all your channels into one system, giving you complete control and visibility no matter where the sale happens. With x2x, real-time inventory management isn't just possible, it's effortless. Ready to simplify your retail operations? Contact us today to learn more.